Dr. W.R. Kyrwoh MP ke Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya ula Kynnoh bagan National Green Tribunal NGT kalalle Shiliang badban pekmat tangya ka kamti do yong bean ha gadiga jalla kat baya ka jingjabo ka bepenmi na kikar khana gi badan ha keleng karipan kamle ai Habakran sikilat pathai kubor ha kanok paisi jo ka arpo hundre tere jembang arja arpusan u Dr. W.R. Kyrwoh ula bo jingkli ka jingtmu ka NGT na ka bakado bagi nong ti daw yong ki beret barya ki shakta jor na ka jingle ka NGT kat baya ka jing shakta ki brio namar ka jing penmi leer ja khlia ki karkhanapat ka sengap jar Nalor kata ulong bon sabut da ka 0 hour discussion halor kene hayeng dorbar thau an ka parliament.
This I'm going to bring a no 0 hours in parliament. Yes, the NGT, they're very much against the illegal coal mining in the state. They're going after our people, and it affected those small coal miners. What shocked me is that the news that came up in Hindus, millions of people are dying because of pollution, because of the big industrialists. Because of heavy industry, people are dying by millions. What have the NGT done for that? Many of the metros were affected by this. It came out in the Hindus recently. What they have done? They should not. To me, I feel I'm going to raise this in parliament. This is to me a double standard. Our people have been affected. Coal was their livelihood. For 4 decades, they have been living on coal. All of a sudden it's banned. And whom it affect? It affects those who are earning their livelihood from there. It affects the revenue of the state. It affects the district council. What shocked me is why they're not doing anything on the big industrialists, who is very clear in Hindu that millions of people are dying because of pollution-related disease. You see, illegal rat hole mining, what they said is that it affected the environment. But pollution by heavy industrialists affected human being, which means human life is not important. I feel human life is also important, just as environment. But the thing is, what I'm seeing is that they should make a study why this like the coal, why it affected the rivers and all this. To me, it is because that while taking the coal out, and when they dump it, there is no they should have a place where at least cemented building are made so that trucks can go there, so that even when rain comes, it doesn't go to the thing. So they should stop this dumping of coal everywhere. That's the only thing. It is not mining. To me, it's not mining. It is the dumping of coal which affected the rivers. The way they're saying it is there. And to me, we have to survive too. One problem. Now you stop coal. You see recently the arrests in Kyrwoh about drugs and all this. What I'm afraid is that suppose it goes into drugs, what happens? It may affect the whole of Northeast, no? So they should also think. It's easy, but make a study how far it impacts the people. I'll tell you, I came from my district, Giant Hills is a mining district. I'm for my people, and that's why I'm saying why this double standard.
Double standard by whom do you see?
NGT, why they're not banning the industrialists? I told you, it came out in Hindus. Millions are dying because of pollution-related disease caused by big industrialists. Why not they are banned? If that is the case, it affects human beings. It affects children. So to me, I feel it's double standard.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Rajya pi lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.